Sorting out taxonomy. Phylum. In a previous podcast, Sorting Out Taxonomy, What's in a Name, the topic of taxonomy was introduced. We also introduced the kingdom category in the first podcast in this series. This podcast is the second in a series that will focus on the main classification categories: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. Phylum. A phylum is next in the taxonomic hierarchy, coming after kingdom and before class. Organisms classified into a phylum have more characteristics in common than they do with the remainder of the species in the same kingdom. For the purpose of these podcasts, we are going to use a single species to illustrate the taxonomic process. We will start in the kingdom Animalia, the animals. As noted in previous podcasts in this series, not all scientists agree with the following classification scheme, and it is subject to change upon the receipt of new information. However, we are going to use it to illustrate the process. The kingdom Animalia contains 35 phyla in the world. In Illinois, 17 of these phyla are represented. We'll look at 4 phyla in the kingdom Animalia and discuss how their members are similar enough to be included in the same phylum. The phylum Chordata contains the vertebrate animals. Mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and fishes are included in this phylum. These animals have a notochord at some point in their development. They have a tubular nerve cord along the back. Gill slits and a tail are present at some point in their life cycle. They have an internal skeleton. The Phylum Arthropoda contains the arthropods. Arthropods have bilateral symmetry and a segmented body. An exoskeleton composed mainly of chitin make up the body covering. Compound and simple eyes are present. They have an open circulatory system. They have jointed appendages. Insects, spiders, crustaceans, centipedes, millipedes, and ticks are some of the species in this phylum. Members of the phylum Mollusca are soft-bodied animals that usually secrete a shell. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Their body is covered by a mantle. Examples are snails, slugs, and mollusks. The Phylum Analeta contains the segmented worms. Earthworms, leeches, and many marine worms are part of this phylum. They have a definite body cavity, and most have a circulatory system. Some have bristle-like hairs. They have a mouth, intestine, and anus. In the next podcast, Sorting Out Taxonomy, Class, we will introduce the division of a phylum into classes.